So how would you like to not throw away your unused draft products? What we have is our Glacier Bag collection to use your draft beers at home. With all different size, we have a tap, put your draft beers in the beer, enjoy during this unfortunate and crisis time. You're still able to sell and not lose profits on your draft beer with the Glacier Bag collection. We make all the different sizes of bags from large, small, medium, large. We make all different styles of gallons and half gallons, and you can print it with all your favorite team logos or company logos. This is so you don't throw away. You're tapping beer kegs. You don't want to waste it. Sell it for home delivery. The home delivery system for draft beers, Glacier Bags.